Hello guys, good afternoon. I'm Brandon JP Padilla and we're cooking a fish fillet. First step, we're gonna take a fish and dip it in the all-purpose flour. Make sure to cover all its sides. And dip it to the scrambled egg. And dip it to the breadcrumbs. Mix it. And set this aside. Heat the pan over medium flame. Put an oil. Now the oil is heated up. We're gonna put the fish fillet into the pan. Flip the fish fillet to cook the other side. Now the fish fillet is already cooked. We're gonna put it here to drain excess oil. Dip into the mayonnaise and taste it and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye guys.